to my channel. Today I'm gonna play with Legos. I tell you which things these have. Car wash center, cars. If you tow truck, if you tow in the wrong place, then car will tow your car away. And garage to fix the car, and fuel station, and a fuel truck. So let's make a Lego city! Woohoo! So first we'll make a fuel truck. Here I have a book and I'll follow instructions. Let's add a fuel pipe. If you want to fill some fuel, then you can add some fuel pipe. That's why I'm putting some fuel pipe. But look friends, my fuel truck is ready. Look every column. Friends, let's make a fuel station. Friends, the fuel truck is ready. Fuel station's ready. Fuel truck's ready. Now fuel truck will go on to fill some fuel in the engine. Now we'll make a garage. Our garage is ready. The man is here and the whole garage is tilted in the back. It got tilted on the right side or here, and if you want to come in, then you have to put this bump here so car can go up and fix their cars. Fuel station's ready. And garage is ready. Now friends, let's make a car wash center where you can clean some cars. If your car is dirty, then you can clean your cars. So friends, let's make a car first. We have four tires of the car because there are 4 tires on the car. Look friends, Ferrari car is ready. This Ferrari car is dirty. Let's go and wash this car. It's green light. We can go inside. If somebody else is busy, then we can go and wash in this bucket. Now let's make a tow truck. I got one call. Hello, tow service. Oh, is it your car is crashed? I'll be right away. Okay, bye. Oh, is it just big swollen? Don't worry, I'll push your car out. I need some tools. This is a gas station. This is a garage station. Friends, our Lego city is complete. Now, do you like my video? Bye, friends.